In this video, we are unboxing the 1/2-inch hex bit socket set. This is a 1/2-inch drive tool set with 1/2-inch ratcheting wrench, torque wrenches, and electric impact wrench. It can handle high torque without slipping, which fits large hex bolts on chassis, engines, suspension, and other heavy-duty applications. This set includes 12 pieces hex bits, ranging from H5 to H22, covers generally all common hex bolt sizes in automotive repair. The bits are typically made of carbon steel and heat-treated for high hardness and toughness, preventing chipping and rounding. The socket body features a chrome-plated finish for corrosion resistance. The knurled surface provides extra grip for hand operation. Make sure you use the exact size that matches the bolt head. If you use a smaller bit into a larger bolt, will round out the hex hole and ruin the bolt. Our bits are made of high hardness material, but exceeding the bolt's torque rating can cause the bit to crack or the drive-in to break. For critical components, it's recommended to use a torque wrench. These bit sockets are designed for one-way drive, which is not recommended for long-term use on rusted or seized bolts, as that can cause the bit to snap at the root. After using, wipe off any grease and dirt and place them back in the original case. Avoid damage, deformation, or dust contamination. That could shorten their service life.